Okay, welcome to the next tutorial of Blender. So today we're going to be doing some extruded text kind of effects. So let's go with render to begin with. We will change out EV to cycles. Let's go and get rid of the default cube. Add, and we'll go to plane. S for scale. And what I'm going to do is go 7:7. Let's go with add, and we'll go with text. So, once we've got this text right here, we need to edit this. So I'm just going to go and type in something random. Let's go. Something akin to that. So what I'm going to do now is let's go ahead and go to the data right here. We're going to go to geometry, or whatever you call it from where you are. We're going to go with extrude. This will extrude the text right here. So you're probably going to want it just about here. We're going to take the lighting right here, and I'm going to put this at an angle. So when we see this from the top, we should have an angle such as this. So this is kind of like a really neat kind of text thing that you could do, where you have two textures that are the same, or two objects that at least have the same texture, and then you can go ahead and you can just add some lighting from that extrude, and you can automatically see the text. I think this is like one of those techniques that you could really kind of experiment with. Let's go with Shift D and move this to the opposite side, because we can now change the tones on this side. And don't forget, these are the same materials, and we can automatically see the text. I thought that I would show you this one because it is pretty cool to do for, say, advertising backgrounds and stuff like that. It really kind of draws the eye to stuff. So yeah, if you like this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.